14 shocking futuristic vehicles you must see 2024. Get ready to revolutionize your daily commute. Imagine flying cars, self-driving pods, and motorcycles that read your mind. Sounds like science fiction, but these futuristic vehicles are becoming a reality in 2024. From shape-shifting cars to cutting-edge tech, we're pushing the boundaries of mobility. Buckle up and join us as we explore the future of transportation. The future is now. Are you ready? Chen, Chen, the creator of the self-balancing hoverboard, has created a two-wheeled electric vehicle named the Chen. The Chen, like Chen's Hovertrax hoverboard, features two wheels and a sleek passenger cabin. The Chen employs a movable inverted pendulum mechanism to keep the rider upright. The car will have a basic differential speed control and in-wheel regenerative shock absorbers for battery charge. Chen anticipates that the Chen will be easier to operate, have less rolling resistance, and be more energy efficient. Volkswagen's ID code concept car introduces a new SUV generation and design language. The car's muscular, clean, and fluid surfaces look more like a Gran Turismo than a 5-meter class SUV. The outside also acts as a projection surface for AI-assisted lighting and display systems, creating user-friendly interfaces for intelligent communication between humans and machines. Triton 669/9 AVA. Imagine descending into the depths of the ocean in the futuristic Triton 669/9 AVA submarine, a luxurious underwater haven that doubles as a casino or cocktail bar for up to 9 passengers. This revolutionary vessel boasts a stunning freeform acrylic pressure hull that offers a panoramic 360-degree view and can dive an astonishing 660 feet. Despite its spacious interior, the AVA has a remarkably compact footprint, making it a marvel of modern engineering. Jetson 1, a revolutionary flying car from Swedish company Jetson. This sleek single-seat electric vehicle is powered by 8 motors and weighs just 86 kilograms, making it a game-changer in the world of transportation. With a top speed of 101 kilometers per h and a flight time of 20 minutes, the Jetson 1 is perfect for short trips and adventures, and the best part, you don't need a pilot's license to operate it. An Copter taxi. Fly Now Aviation, an Austrian startup, is developing an auto-piloted eVTOL air taxi with a coaxial electric motor and 2 counter-rotating rotor rotors. This qualifies it as an electric helicopter by the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, making certification faster and easier. The e-copter's coaxial drivetrain saves weight, material costs, and complexity, making it less expensive to produce, purchase, and operate. All 3 versions will be created by altering a single base airframe, lowering costs. Fly Now expects all 3 variants to have a flight battery range of up to 50 kilometers, a cruising speed of 130 kilometers per h, and a maximum cargo capacity of 200 kilograms. ALIA 250. Beta Technologies, a US-based electric aircraft startup, has introduced the ALIA 250, an eVTOL aircraft. The eVTOL aircraft, modeled after the Arctic Tern, can take off and land vertically before switching to long-distance flight. The design has arched wings, tapering wingtips, and angled trusses to reduce drag and increase stability. The eVTOL aircraft has a range of about 463 kilometers and can fly at speeds of up to 270 kilometers per hour. Lazareth LMV 496. This jet-powered motorcycle, driven by 496,000 RPM JetCat jet turbines, can produce 529 pounds of thrust. The LMV 496 preserves the LM847's design components, such as Kevlar carbon composite bodywork, Italian rear loop, carbon wheel covers, TFX suspension technology, a digital dash, driving position, light steering, Rizoma accessories, braking, and undercarriage technology. Daymac Spiritus. Daymac, a Canadian car maker, is building the world's first self-mining vehicle, the Spiritus. The light electric vehicle will be outfitted with cutting-edge mining hardware and blockchain technologies, enabling it to mine cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Dogecoin while charging. The Spiritus will have a GPU that supports the Daymac Nebula system, which comprises a miner, a digital wallet, and an app for displaying cryptocurrency information. Northern Light 360. The Northern Light is a one-of-a-kind 3-wheeler with a classic aesthetic and futuristic aerodynamic design. It is a waterproof vehicle that prioritizes efficiency, safety, and comfort. The car is built on a vinyl-wrapped body with unique crumple zones, leaf spring suspension, front and rear illumination, turn indicators, hydraulic disc brakes, and high-performance road tires. Pumper Car Lux. The Pumper Car Lux is a one-of-a-kind personal mobility gadget created for teenagers and adults who want to travel in an environmentally sustainable and health-conscious manner. The vehicle's lightweight design and proprietary integrated personal transportation system are made possible by a combination of carbon fiber and aluminum engineering. The pump action mechanism encourages physical exercise and improves cardiovascular health. LED lighting, a powerful braking system, and a performance computer ensure safety. The Lux is foldable, making it simple to stow in tiny settings or move via public transportation. Surge S32. EV that converts from a three-wheeler to an electric scooter, providing self-employed people with flexible mobility. The Surge S32, inspired by Christopher Nolan's Dark Knight, comes with a detachable two-wheeler and a spring-loaded double-stand mechanism for easy access. The 3W features a powerful 10 kilowatts engine, while the scooter has a 3.5 kWh battery. The 3W has a top speed of 50 kilometers per h and a load-carrying capacity of 500 kilograms, catering to a variety of needs. City Transformer CT2. City Transformer is creating the CT2 microcar, a compact electric vehicle, EV, ideal for urban living. The CT2, similar to the Citroën Ami, has a top speed of 90 km per h with a foldable design to fit into smaller areas. The CT2 weighs 450 kilograms, making it lighter than full-sized electric vehicles and requiring a smaller battery. The CT2 is more efficient in terms of materials and electricity, allowing for greater distances and faster speeds. City Transformer anticipates that mass manufacturing will commence in the second half of 2025, with customers receiving their orders by the end of 2025. Segway Villain SX10. The Segway Villain SX10E is a modern aerodynamic vehicle with sophisticated motor, adjustable riding settings, and aggressive styling. It's perfect for paddock transportation, dune sprints, and beach racing. The car comes equipped with the telematics box, which allows for web apps and real-time data access. The SX10 has remote reservoir front and rear air shocks, adjustable dual-speed compression and rebound, and beadlock rims for stability. Screw Bike. A man named Bruton designed a one-of-a-kind screw bike out of 4 Mecanum wheels, which are usually found on industrial machinery and robots. The bike moves in opposition to each other, powered by belts from 4 electric motors. The electronic control box regulates the operation of the wheels, allowing the bike to travel in any direction. The hand controls are straightforward, with twist grips on both sides and toggle switches that determine which way the grips force the bike to travel. Which vehicle blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you.